morning. Can I have a louder good morning from parents? Where is the energy? Good morning to one and all present here. Good morning. A very hearty welcome to the Goenka Recognition Day, wherein we all have assembled to recognize the talents and the interests and the performances of our children. We have been observing them since April, and they have been doing well in all domains of learning, be it psychomotor, be it affective, be it cognitive. We have identified their talents, and accordingly today we have gathered here to recognize their talents and their performances till now. And we have all soil, save water, otherwise the future is going to be dark. So today these students are going to present that theme in the form of a ballet, which is an amalgamation of songs and dances. I also wanted to make a few announcements that recently we have got the affiliation for senior secondary level, till senior secondary level. So we all can clap. So this is a senior secondary school now. This is only GD Goenka Public School in Faridabad. We have two more branches, one in Sector 15, which is a middle school. It has got recognition till elementary level, till 8th standard. We have a La Petite branch in Sector 21D. So we have three branches. And under our management, which is owned by Dr. Kamlesh Verma ji and Dr. Neetu Verma ji, they are both from education background. We have 9 branches in all, GD Goenka, all GD Goenka branches, 6 in Delhi and 3 in Faridabad. And this is our first year, and as it is our first year, it's our beginning. We had teething problems, and yes, we will have more teething problems, but still we are making a mark, and students are performing remarkably wherever they are going. Yesterday, there are many more to come, be it taekwondo, be it chess, be it yoga. So a lot of competitions we keep organizing for them, football tournament. We will have inter-school quiz competition, inter-branch quiz competition. So a lot of competitions. The only motive is to inculcate 21st century skills amongst the students so that they become smart, confident, they learn to collaborate and work in a team, they become effective communicators, they become creative, they become critical thinkers, because creativity is very important. If a child is creative, he or she can carve a niche for himself in this world, in this ever. In few years, they might not be there, they might be redundant. So a child has to be creative to carve a niche for himself or herself. So that is very important skill, we believe. So not taking much time, I once again welcome you all. I have a team from Rotary Club Faridabad, Rotary Club Tulips Faridabad, and I am very privileged to have them here. I have Dr. Karuna Pal Gupta, who is the president of the club. So we can all welcome them with a round of applause. I have Ms. Poonam Yadav, who is the secretary of Rotary Club. Ms. Monica Yadav, who is a joint secretary of Rotary Club, and Ms. Uma Ebrol, who is looking after the Interact Club. So we are collaborating with them because Interact Club is a club which works with the school, and they will be organizing many projects, many camps with the students, because their aim is to spread the benefits to the community, to organize community outreach programs, and to take everybody along and move forward. I think they will be able to tell you better. So I would be inviting Uma ma'am on stage for enlightening you all about the projects of Interact Club. Please welcome ma'am, and once again a hearty welcome to the distinguished guests and esteemed parents, teachers, and my lovely students. Welcome you all. Can we hear a loud round of applause for everybody present here today? Thank you. Welcome all. Myself Uma Ebrol, Rotary member of Tulips. सबसे पहले मैं प्रिंसिपल मैम का थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ. She has given me that privilege to speak in front of you. So thank you so much, and welcome all. Today is, Goenka's recognition day, which means जो बच्चे यहाँ पर आके एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, उन्होंने एक साल में क्या क्या किया है उसके बारे में एक दूसरे को बताना और जानना, which is called recognition day. मैं आप सबका थैंक यू करती हूँ. आप सब आए, आपने अपना एनकरेजमेंट और उत्साह दिखाया. So I am here as a Interact Rotary. So Uma Ebrol आप सबका वेलकम करती है. What is Rotary? Rotary is a
इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो सबको आगे बढ़कर सोसाइटी में एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर प्रोजेक्ट्स करने के लिए एनकरेज करता है। एंड चाइल्ड फॉर देयर हेल्थ, फॉर देयर अपलिफ्टमेंट, वी डू वर्क फॉर देम। एंड थर्ड aspect is environment, to enrich environment with the people, encourage the people. They can do many things for the environment. Our fourth aspect is peace. We should build up the peace in the world, which is the motto of the Rotary. Thank you.
Thank you so